नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। मैं हूँ डॉक्टर लिली त्रिवेदी, फैकल्टी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर और वेटनरी साइंस। सब्जेक्ट इज फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ क्रॉप फिजियोलॉजी and the session is functions and deficiency symptoms of micronutrients. This is for BSc Honors Agriculture Second Sem from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Agriculture Women's University. Now, what are micronutrients? Micronutrients, as we have already studied, are those elements which are required by plants in their lesser quantities. What is the quantity? 0.1 milligram per gram of dry weight. What elements are there? Iron, magnesium, boron, copper, zinc, molybdenum, and chlorine. Now, when we come to the functions and there's deficiency symptoms, to start with, we start with iron. Now, iron is an important constant of iron, porphyrin, and protein like cytochromes, peroxidase, catalase, etc. It is essential for chlorophyll synthesis. It plays an important role in the constituent of pyridoxine, which is important for the photochemical reaction in photosynthesis as well as biological nitrogen fixation. Now, if iron deficiency is there, chlorosis of young leaves, which is usually interveinal, is seen, and this is a photograph showing sugarcane iron deficiency symptoms. Now, second is zinc. Where is zinc involved? It is involved in the biosynthesis of growth hormones like auxin, and it also acts as an activator of many enzymes like carbonic anhydrase and alcohol dehydrogenase. The deficiency of zinc causes chlorosis of the young leaves, which starts from the tip to the margin. So here you can see in the tip, it is yellowing of leaves is seen. Secondly, size of young leaves is very much reduced, and this order is called little leaf disease. The stalk is very short. Then we come to manganese. The manganese is activator of many respiratory enzymes. It also an activator for the enzyme nitrite reductase. It is also important for the evolution of oxygen, that is during photolysis, during the process of photosynthesis. The deficiency of manganese causes mottled chlorosis, and the young leaves are affected. The veins remain green. As you can see, the veins are green. The small necrotic spots develop on the leaves with the yellow strips. Then we have cotton. Cotton is an copper. Copper is an important constituent of plastocyanin. Copper contains protein. It is a constituent of several oxidizing enzymes. Deficiency of copper causes necrosis of the tip of young leaf. It also causes dieback disease of citrus and fruits. Also causes a reclamation disease or white tip disease of cereals and leguminous plants. Boron is also micronutrient. It facilitates the translocation of sugars by forming sugar borate complex. It involves cell differentiation and development, since boron is very essential in DNA synthesis. It also is involved in fertilization and hormone metabolism. In its deficiency in plants causes a number of diseases like death of shoot tip, flower formation is suppressed, root growth is suppressed, and deficiency causes heart rot of beet, stem crack of cereally, brown heart of cabbage, water pore of turnip, internal cork formation in the apples, and hen and chick in grapes. Molybdenum is an important constant in the enzyme nitrate reductase and plays an important role in nitrogen metabolism. It is essential for fruit set and flower formation. The deficiency of molybdenum causes interveinous chlorosis of older leaves. The flower formation is inhibited and whip-tail disease is present in cauliflower plants. So these are the references from which I have taken my matter. I hope you have found my lecture very interesting, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. And this session was powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Namaste. Thank you very much.